Hello, wobble wobble. Quick video. Custom Knife Factory knives. It's the new CKF Rotten Designs Evo 1.1. Nice. I had the 4.0 for a little while. It's kind of smaller than what I usually carry. So I saw they were coming out with these. I sold that and pre-ordered this thing. I think they said they were going to be done around December, so it's a couple months early. It's cool. It's got the, I think they call it the bark finish, stonewashed. Pretty awesome. It's quite a bit bigger. Let's flip her open. Yeah. The flats are stonewashed. Nice big satin blade. They're 3.74 inch. Yeah. This is more my size. Big guy. Such cool grind lines on this design. Ooh. Thick blade. Very cool. What we got? M398. Looks like we got number 13. Yeah. Wicked design, very cool. Got the Emerson CQC7B in the pocket today. Not much longer overall length. Quite a bit more blade though. Gotta be careful with that thing. Pretty snappy. Yeah. Big full size Rotten Design Evo. Awesome. Just open this up. Nice back spacer. It's a big guy. Anyways, hope you're having a good day. I'm gonna stick this guy in my pocket now. Yeah, very cool. Thanks for watching.